Now, in the measurement of transmitted light from the apparatus for the measurement of the quantum field, you know, in previous period we come to know how the amount of moles reacting in given time is measured, but today we are going to see the detectors. There are two types of detectors. First type is a thermopile. When the light transmitted through the reaction cell is allowed to fall on the thermopile, then in order to measure the number of Einstein's absorbed is measured with the help of detectors. Now first type, that is thermopile, is used, and the thermopile is nothing but a multi-junction thermocouple consisting of unlike metals like a silver or silver and bismuth. Means in thermopile, silver and bismuth, these two types of unlike metals are connected with a moving coil galvanometer. Now the metal strips, these metals are alternately arranged in a thermopile, and these metal strips are blackened with the help of a special type of material. That material is called as a platinum black or lamp black. Platinum black or lamp black is coated on these metal strips of this unlike metal, and when the light, transmitted light, fall on these metal strips, then these metal strips absorb the light completely and converted it into the heat, and due to absorption of this light and the conversion of heat, the temperature is raised there, and due to the difference in the temperature, the current is generated. Actually, in this thermopile, this thermal energy is converted into electrical energy. That is, the temperature, raise in the temperature causes the difference in the temperature, and due to this current is generated. That's why the electric energy is produced, and this electric current is measured, and the current produced is directly proportional to the intensity of the radiation which are incident on this thermopile. And thermopiles are calibrated with the help of standard source of light. In this way, there is a measurement of a amount of a current produced in the thermopile due to absorption of light, and that current is proportional to the intensity of light radiation which are fall on this thermopile. In this way, there is a work of this thermopile. Now later on, this second type of thermopile is a chemical actinometer. Second type is chemical actinometer. Again, the same work of this chemical actinometer is there. It is the second type of detector, and it is used the number of Einstein's absorbed in the photochemical reaction. Now see what is a chemical thermometer, actinometer, or what are the chemicals used in this chemical actinometer and how this chemical actinometer works. Now this chemical actinometer consists of a solution. It consists of a solution, but which solution? That solution is affected by the light which is incident on this. And what happens when the light falls on this solution? The chemical reaction starts in the chemical actinometer. And further, the extent of the reaction in the chemical actinometer is directly proportional to the intensity of light absorbed. Getting it? समझ में आया? केमिकल एक्टिनोमीटर में ऐसा सॉल्यूशन फिलअप किया हुआ रहता है कि जो सॉल्यूशन में जो फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन से निकलने वाला लाइट जो होता है, दैट लाइट व्हेन इंसिडेंट on this solution, then the solution is affected by the absorption of this light. And what happens? The extent of the reaction is directly proportional to the intensity of light absorbed in the chemical actinometer. The most common used chemical actinometer is uranyl oxalate actinometer. Which actinometer? Uranyl oxalate actinometer. This chemical actinometer, that is uranyl oxalate actinometer. Now this uranyl oxalate actinometer consists of 0.05 molar uranyl sulfate. Uranyl sulfate. And another one is oxalic acid, 0.01 molar oxalic acid solution. Oxalic acid solution in water. Okay, these two solutions are present in the chemical actinometer. When the light transmitted fall on this actinometer, then what happens? Initially, among these two mixture of these two solution, this uranyl sulfate, you know, uranyl sulfate means UO2SO4, means UO2 plus SO4 minus. Here this light incident on this UO2 plus uranyl ions, and this H nu is the light incident on this uranyl oxalate actinometer. It get absorbed and it can form highly energetic UO2 uranyl ions. This star indicated that its energy get increased, and this uranyl ion with high energy then reacts with the oxalic acid, that is oxalic acid. What is oxalic acid? This is nothing but oxalic acid. This oxalic acid get decomposed due to this UO2 plus highly energetic ion, and it gives CO plus CO2 plus H2O, and these excited ion gives energy for the decomposition of this oxalic acid and get removed as it is, that is UO2 plus ion get removed as it is. Now here the remaining amount of oxalic acid, here the oxalic acid get decomposed due to these energetic ions, but the remaining amount of oxalic acid in the reaction can be titrated against the KMnO4 solution. Remaining oxalic acid titrated with or determined by titrating it with KMNO4 solution, KMNO4 solution. In this way, this uranyl oxalate actinometer works, and the extent of decomposition of oxalic acid is proportional to the intensity of light absorbed. This oxalic acid, that is the decomposition, the extent of decomposition of oxalic acid is proportional to the intensity of light absorbed. In this way, by knowing the number of moles reacted and the measurement of number of Einsteins absorbed, we are able to find out the value of a phi. What is phi? This phi is the quantum efficiency or quantum yield of photochemical reaction. You know, previously we determined the number of moles reacted in given time, and today we see how the number of Einsteins absorbed in the same time are determined by using this uranyl oxalate actinometer. समझ में आया? ये दो टाइप के एक्टिनोमीटर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहला वाला थर्मोपाइल, इसका भी वर्क है फाई निकालते टाइम पे नंबर ऑफ आइंस्टाइन एब्जॉर्ब करना, किए हुए एब्जॉर्ब किए हुए नंबर ऑफ आइंस्टाइंस डिटरमाइन करना. और केमिकल एक्टिनोमीटर का भी वर्क सेम है, ओनली दोनों के कंस्ट्रक्शन और वर्किंग में डिफरेंस क्या है, एंड हाउ दिस बोथ आर यूज्ड टू डिटरमाइन द नंबर ऑफ आइंस्टाइंस टुडे वी हैव सीन.